माय नेम इज निशा एंड स्वागत है आपका साईं ज्ञान सागर में। तो आज हम कर रहे हैं जनरल इंग्लिश के क्वेश्चन। देखते हैं किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आए थे जो कि हमारे DSSB में आए हुए हैं। लेट्स सी। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, सत्यजीत रॉय हैड इनरोमस इन्फ्लुएंस डैश द मोशन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री इन इंडिया। जो सत्यजीत रॉय हैड है इनरोमस इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन द मोशन इंडस्ट्री ऑन दी मोशन होगा। हाउ टॉल आदित्य डैश आई बिकेम हार्डली रिकोगनाइज हिम। हाउ टॉल आदित्य हैज़ बिकम आई कुड हार्डली रिकोगनाइज हिम। द एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट said that the remaining submerged portion would be removed in the next 10 to 12 days. The executive engineer of the project said that the dash submerged portion would be removed in the next to 10 to 12 build मतलब build के साथ remove नहीं आया, constructive के साथ recovery के साथ नहीं, remaining submerged portion would be removed in the next 10 to 12 days. गिवन सेंटेंस को हमें लॉजिकली अरेंज करना है। साहिल हैड द साउंड फ्रॉम द मार्केट नियर बाय ऑफ द लैचेस बीइंग ओपन नॉट विद स्टैंडिंग द नॉइज एंड din फ्रॉम द मार्केट नियर बाय। साहिल heard the sound of the latch being opened. Notwithstanding in the noise from the market nearby, Sahil heard the sound of the latches being opened. If it is dash, they will have to cancel the open air program. If it is rains, they will. If it is rains, they will have cancelled the open air program. According to the meteorological department, this year the city has already dashed its hottest day in April to 14 year. According to meteorology department, the year of the city has already recorded its hottest day in April in 49 years. Scientists, however, argued with there was no evidence to back the dash of the creature. Scientists, however, argued there was no evidence to back the perfect of the creature. Scientists, however, argued there was no evidence to back to perfect the creature. Perfect will make the day more interesting. An out-of-town invitation on the family front for a celebration. An out-of-town invitation for a celebration will make the day more interesting. On the family front, an out-of-the-town invitation. On the family front, an out-of-the-town invitation will be more interesting for a celebration. For celebration will make day more interesting. Dash has a beautiful dog, a white Labrador. Dash has a beautiful dog. One of my friends has a beautiful dog. One of my friends has a beautiful dog, white Labrador. Ayurveda's claim to provide a integration approach dash treating illness. Ayurveda claims to provide an integrated approach to treating illness. Ayurveda claim to provide an integrated approach to treating illness. Miss Kumar had already been joined the school when the principal working there for 5 years. Kumar had been working already been working there for 5 years when the principal joined the school. Mr. Kumar had already been working there are 5 years when the principal joined the school. Kishore and I are planning to attend the function at the college. Kishore and I are planning to attend the function to the college. This is the most interesting book that I have came across. This is the most interesting book that I have come across. During the conference, participate from the various more than 90 research papers, center and state university presented. Participating from the various center and state university presented more than 90 research papers during the conference. Participate from the various center and state university. Participates from various center and state universities presenting more than 90 research papers during the conference. My son proudly announced, this car is the best model I have ever drive. My son proudly announced, this car is the best model. Cut no ice. Have no influence or effort on. When you are child whose parent job involved dash transfer, keeping up with the constant challenge environment can be very difficult. Frequent transfer. It doesn't seem so warm today, does it? Professor Das dash we meet the university is brilliant scholar, genial human being. Professor Das whom we meet the university brilliant scholar and genius human being. Is Rostang Pass a most delightful and picturesque route? The mountain where the traditional Himachal cottage just about an hour from Manali is Roasted Pass just about an hour from Manali. Rostang Pass a most delightful picture routed where the traditional Himachal cottage the mountain. The bamboo tree is buoyant because of its wholeness. Buoyant means floating. The fruit on the mango tree were melon and ready to eat. Melon मतलब पक जाना, rip भी मतलब पक जाना. Finally they reach a part of river which are navigable and they could row across. Navigable. The teacher was pleased with the consistency with he was working. Consistency. Variation. Give a iconic. She left the room in hurry. Giving a iconic. Long-winded. In reorganize of his valor, the soldier was nominated for a award. Crowded. His father advised him to be prudent and constant his lawyer before making purchase. Reckless. Her action revealed that she is the still nimble and alert in her response. Tragedy. During the corrosion of the paint of the machine had of decomposition. The benevolent gift made a great difference to the victim of the tsunami. Benevolent, compassionate, compensative.